All right, bam, this time the quick speed shot. We're finishing out the day, but we're going to go back in time. We're going to do the Syracuse Nationals 2021. I'm Josh, that's Ted. We're drinking, we're having fun. We're going to Syracuse. Check it out right now. I'm a professional. Don't try this at home. All right, babe, here we are on another adventure. Look, I got me and I got Ted over here. We're in Ted's truck and we're going to Syracuse. It's first thing in the morning. We're going to the Syracuse Nationals 2021. Hold on, let me not wreck Ted's truck. He'll be mad. And we're gonna go out there and check it out. We'll do a little video, check out some of the cars. We're gonna go to the swap meet, do all kinds of stuff. Usually take a car, but this year it's easier to just take Ted's truck. And Ted's kind of laid up with a back issue, so we're rolling modern, but we're going to the Syracuse Nationals 2021. So here we go.
That is the main gate. I gotta go where the carts are. That's the main gate. That's the main gate over there.
Well, we made it here. Ted's got to get a scooter. He's got a herniated disc, so his back is killing him. So I'm gonna be running around with him. He's gonna be scooting around, but we're gonna go run around and see what we can find. We're gonna head to the swap meet, and then we'll see some cars. So here we go. I get tired. I need to run.
You gonna film me on this thing and put it on your shelf? Ted's got a bad back. Cut me right out of it. Look at that thing with a blower. Look at that Woody. Take a picture of that for my grandson. He loves that thing.
Alright, bam, we made it back. We're back from Syracuse. We had all kinds of fun running around there. There's Ted. He's over there. He's he's into the wine. I'm into the Jenny Late. Let me show you what I got there. First, I got this for $20. I got this big can. It's got this awesome flip top. Look at that. Bam. That's going in the gas station. It is a Protect the Seal from Chicago. It's got a little hole in the bottom. That's all right. That's going to get the gas station. I'll get lettered up, painted up somehow. And then I bought two awesome brass fuel fillers. This one is a Buckeye. This one is a OPW. And I need these for my old pumps, which have my one pump I'm going to build. I don't have a handle, or a nozzle, so I got that. And then I got the other one for my Tokheim pump, which has the wrong handle on it, so we're going to put these early brass ones on. I also got this awesome heavy-duty brake fluid can, and it comes with the hose and the hanger. That was super awesome. These nozzles are $50 a piece. This can was like 20, I think, and this can was 20. So that was a good deal buying all that stuff. And then we had a heck of a time, and we're going to be hanging out at the gas station behind me, partying out the rest of the night. So thanks for watching the Syracuse Nationals 2021. We'll see you again right here at the Quick Speed Shop.